representing business coach category. I help businesses to grow 10x in 12 months by identifying their bottlenecks that hold them back, implementing practical strategies to overcome them. My ask is to connect me with business owners who feel stuck and they are not growing. In the last 12 months through VNI, I received 70 lakhs of business and gave more than 1.8 crore in business. Thank you. Signing off, Deepak Pandey.
Good morning, BNS. And before I begin my introduction, I would like to, for the visitors' information, whatever is happening.
Most wonderful chapter, BNI sign. They have organized mega visitor day in which lot of visitors, lot of successful businessmen and professionals are invited. And the objective is to tell the entrepreneurs in Bhubaneswar that a referral networking platform called BNI is in Bhubaneswar, and Sign is one of the vibrant chapters. They can consider great, wonderful entrepreneurs group. That is the objective. See, in BNI, we don't sell any other product, but they promote their own business. Whatever products, services, or whatever is their offering, they go to the market with the help of another set of 40-45 members. They all promote each other and grow their business. And we have been fairly successful in this. BNI Bhubaneswar in 7 years have got the business of 2,000 crore plus to its fellow members, and this business was contributed by members to members. And
BNI is Shine member. Our category is catering, hospitality, भोजन catering services from BNI Shine गोटे बहुत बड़ा नेटवर्क, ग्लोबल नेटवर्क, बिजनेस नेटवर्क जे सीरीयस अच्छा बिजनेस करने जे बिजनेस खोलिक अच्छा क्लाइंट मिलूनी ग्रो कर कंपिटिशन संभाली पारना एमती प्रकार बिजनेस नेटवर्क जॉइन कराया पड़ो जदि आप कई बिजनेस प्लेटफॉर्म अच्छा कि नहांती कि बिजनेस करूँ आसतु जॉइन करूँ प्रतिष्ठित होगी लोके 10टा लोक जानी आगुरी ये आसला आहरी 200 लोक जाने तो से बिजनेस ऑटोमेटिकली ग्रो करे लोके आप रेकमेंड करेंगे आपको ट्रस्टेड नेटवर्क प्लेटफॉर्म पाइबे आप जुआ लोक रेफर करेंगे से लोके ग्रो करते इवेंचुअली सक्सेसफुल जाए से आगे बढ़े.
My name is Bhavishya Gadwal. I am the director of Gadwal Group, and I am currently also a second year architect. This is a very nice program arranged by BNI. This is a very good platform actually for every business owner across every platform to come here and network.
चाहते बिजनेस कैटेगरी जे खोली स्ट्रगल कर क्लाइंट पाना ये आसतु 100टा लोक 300 रेकमेंडेसन देवे ये बिजनेस ग्रो कर एस्टाब्लिश होगा प्रोडक्ट नहीं सर्विस नहीं आप आगे बढ़ी चलिए. सो इट्स अ प्लेटफॉर्म कनेक्टिंग ईच अदर एंड ग्रोइंग ईच अदर. सो ब्यूटीफुल प्लेटफॉर्म BNI Shine.
Founder architect of Managing Design Studio. So we do projects across India, pan India, with experience of more than 16 plus years in this field. BNI is a grandest ever platform for entrepreneurs and business people who is willing to generate business through referrals. In this platform, there are members from different organizations and different streams. Maybe a vendor from a real estate, a builder, a tile, a contractor, catering services. So that is how the member generates referral from each other.
So those who are joining with BNS, what BNS provide what?
BNI is providing a platform to do networking.
Any other facilities from BNS?
Look, this is only
grow their product.
This is the only platform in the country where people who are serious about the business, who are serious about turning their efforts into money, they can join, they can come over here, they can be part of this organization where we have more than 3